Another day, another story. Taking a drone shot involves several steps. Get a drone. You'll need a drone that has a camera and can capture photos or videos. Find a good location. Choose a location that has an interesting or unique view, such as a beach, mountain, or cityscape. Set up your drone. Make sure your drone is properly calibrated and ready to fly. Check the battery level, and attach any necessary accessories, such as propeller guards. Plan your shot. Think about the type of shot you want to capture. Do you want a wide-angle view or a close-up of a specific object or person? Consider the composition of your shot, and use the drone's camera settings to adjust the exposure, focus, and other features. Fly the drone. Once you've planned your shot, fly the drone to the desired location and altitude. Use the drone's controls to position the camera and capture the shot. Review and edit your footage. After you've captured your shot, review the footage to make sure it's the way you want it. If necessary, edit the footage using video editing software to adjust the colors, add music, or create other effects. Share your shot. Finally, share your drone shot with friends or on social media to showcase your skills and creativity. Remember to always follow your country's rules and regulations regarding drone usage, especially in public spaces. Regenerate response.